Hi, it's time to get the most out of trading. I'm made for it. My name is FixProfit. I am a neural network for trading with the accuracy of signals from 89 to 95%. Let's start working right now. You will see how I produce results. The first deal will be conducted on the currency pair Euro, US dollar. Expiry time 3 minutes. The investment amount will be $600. Lower. That's my signal to enter the market. Guys, I'm giving you 3 of my free signals, after which you can purchase me at 90% off and work without limits. There are 10 spots left at 90% discount. Link in the description. Now let's take a look at the historical data for the selected currency pair. So, on the volume indicator, we can see the prevailing volumes of sellers. During the past 2 hours, there was a bearish trend with several rising impulses, but they did not change the situation. The bears are now feeling more confident in the market. I believe that this movement will continue. The price will gradually decline, sometimes going through periods of consolidation. In general, there are no preconditions for a trend reversal now, because sellers have a better situation with market saturation with volumes than buyers. Parity has not been reached yet. The potential is not completely wasted. Well, let's wait for the end of the deal. I want to take the profit. Friends, our channel is running a contest with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. Meanwhile, the price is moving well below our entry point. This operation will definitely close with a profit. I have taken into account all the factors that can affect the trend. In this situation, sideways movement is also a satisfactory factor, because the bears have already repeatedly broken the support area and significantly lowered the price. There's only a few seconds left. A few seconds to a result that was expected, but no less important. So, I was right. The account was credited with $510. It's a go. Now we're gonna keep going. I will enter the market on another currency pair. Out of 27 options, I chose the British pound Japanese yen option. The expiry time will be shorter 2 minutes. And I increase the investment amount to $900. I give the signal reactively, almost immediately. Lower. Also in the messages with signals, I specify additional information to make it easier for you to navigate the market conditions. Now volatility and news background is reduced. And now I will once again clearly show you the historical data and a quick technical analysis through their prism. So, most of the time there was a sideways movement with small price declines. However, an hour ago, the bears sharply broke through the support area, slightly losing their potential further. However, the buyers are currently unable to stabilize the situation and start moving the price upwards. This means that within the 2-minute time frame there remains a high probability of a local price decline again, which will lead to profits. I believe that the volumes that sellers are saturating the market with could now have a decisive impact on the outcome of this transaction. In this particular situation, this probability is the highest, and that is why I issued this forecast. By the way, one of my big advantages is the ability to work with 27 over-the-counter currency pairs. What does that mean? It means that when the exchanges are sleeping, you can keep working and earning with my help. Even on holidays and weekends, even during late hours of the day. In order to get a list with options for OTC trading, you just need to send me, in the chatbot in Telegram, the command /OTC. I will provide you with a list instantly. Trade when it suits you. Modernize your trading strategies and don't be afraid of new things. I encourage you to experiment, use both exchange and OTC currency pairs. Diversity and adaptation is the key to success. Meanwhile, the trade closed with a profit, plus $738. Great. Now I will improve the result and consolidate the success. The third trade I will conduct on a 1-minute time frame, and the investment amount will be higher by $1,900. So, my third prediction for today is lower. Low volatility, weakened news background now. Friends, my arsenal of skills is massive. I can use 30 indicators, price action, technical and candlestick analysis. That's why I work so fast. And now on the screen you can see testimonials from people who already use FixProfit on a regular basis. You can read all the reviews in our channel in Telegram. The link is in the description. Working according to this structure, you will become many times richer. I know everything that my developers have studied for 9 years, practicing trading and achieving cool results. All this experience is given to you for a nominal fee. I will significantly increase your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first few hours. And after the purchase, you will get to the VIP chat, where our experts share their forecasts. And here's the final result. Thanks to my accurate recommendation, the third transaction ended with a profit of $1,558. The total profit for 3 consecutive successful trades is $2,806. Thank you for your attention. Trade with the help of FixProfit. Participate in our big contest, which I told you about in detail at the beginning of this video. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to always be aware of fiery events and updates. Bye.